How do you deal with, knowing when to compromise, and how have you learned how to compromise and how to more or less stick to your guns?
Maybe my rule of thumb is if the issue we're working on, I've got a particular objective, and the compromise thwarts that objective, then that's a bad compromise. If the compromise makes things better, but just not as good as I think they need to be, then my instinct is that's a good compromise. And probably the best example of this is the debate we had around healthcare. Once we get the structure in place, it's like a starter home, and it would be nice if we had, granite, countertops in the kitchen, but we can't afford those yet. There's no porch, but it beats sleeping outside. And I think I've been proven right on this because I've got 20 million people who have health insurance who didn't have it before. Now, it's far from our ideal, but every single step in social progress in this country has started with a starter home. The political process in this country is incremental. Democracies of our sort require reform as a general proposition and not revolution. And that's okay. There's nothing wrong with better. Because you hold out for the best, and that means that whoever was going to be helped by better, doesn't have health care that year, or isn't getting as much help on going to college as they otherwise would have.